In this episode, we will move to the next step of designing the team performance dashboard, and this is the third last step. And in this step, we will design the gross margin percentage per month line chart, and this is a line chart with markers and how we can design it in such a creative way that we have designed, and it's interactive chart with the slicers. It interacts with slicers in a way that we can represent the data using the slicers of each of the month, each of the team, and it's really interactive chart, the line chart with the markers. So how we can design this type of chart in using the Microsoft Excel from the raw data. So we will learn in this video. So watch this video till the end. Assalamu alaikum, I'm Ishtiaq Khan and welcome to Grow with Ishtiaq Khan YouTube channel. In this channel, we will talk about opportunities and growth. So if you are a student, fresh graduate, young professional in the early phase of your career or a mid-level professional, then this platform is just for you. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon to get notified of all the videos that I'm posting on this platform. And also share the videos with your friends and colleagues because sharing is caring. Now, in this video, in this episode, we are talking about creating the gross margin percentage title here in a creative way that it's good looking one, and also creating and designing and also inserting this type of line chart with the markers, this beautiful looking line chart with the markers, and and it's also interactive with the slicer. So how we can design this type of line chart that is interactive and also beautiful looking and representing our data in a really good way, in a way that we want. And when we hold our cursor over here, then it will represent our data per month, the gross margin percentage per month, that how what is the gross margin percentage per month. So we can design it in a way we want. So let's see how we can design it. Now this is the team performance dashboard. We have completed different type of other portions. So in this video we will complete the line chart with the markers. So first of all, we will create the title, and in order to create the title, we need to create, first of all, insert a shape. We need this shape, and it's also good looking shape. And now this is the shape that we need. And now the next is we need to insert a text box, and this is the text box. We can also select text box from here, that it's easy to select from the one text box that's already created, and duplicate it using Control D, paste it here, and now change its name, and it's a gross margin percentage. Increase the size of this box, increase the size of this text box also. Now look at this one, increase decrease its size so that it's looking fit. Now we will play with the merge with the gradients again to make it look beautiful, and somewhat here, and format it, and then you can move it into the way for its format shape. The format shape, we'll select the line and its gradient, but we'll select, this time we will go with the this dark blue, and go with this one, and we will go with the think this one should be in the middle, and this one should be in this area. And now we can go with the transparency, and be this much transparent, this much transparent, and this should also be at least 32. And now move with the, also we need to shape. Shape should be, it should be no line. This is, and now text box should be, text options should be, it should be white. It's looking much better as compared to the one we designed earlier. And you can play with the shape also, you can format it and preset, and you can buy well. And now this is the shape that we have designed for a beautiful looking title. And now we need the data, and this is our support sheet, and we need the discount percentage. So the gross margin percentage here, and copy it from here, and copying it from here, move the data to here, and we need per month. Now open the field list, and in the open the field list we only need the gross margin percentage. Gross sales, we need the month name, and remove the net sales. This is a gross margin percentage per month, it here. And now insert the chart, and the charts, we need the line chart with the markers. And now we will move with the editing, delete these lines, also delete all these buttons on the chart, delete the title, delete the legend, the titles, increase its size the way we want, play with some with it in a way that it's look much more beautiful to you. And also bold the access, not bolding the access, play with the format it, format the chart area, format the data series. And with the line, it should be the, increase the size of the line. Also it should be, I think it should be dark blue. And the markers should be, marker options should be these, and built in, and increase the size. Now it should be solid fill, and the solid fill, these should be this, or I think red, and solid line, and this line should be yellow. It's looking beautiful. And now format the chart area, and the chart area should be no fill. And with the no fill, control C, copy it from here and paste it here. And let's see that what we can do with it more, and what it need. First of all, access, and for the access the text options, and it should be white. This should also be white so that it's visible. Now let's see, and also increase its space. And now this is the line that we need, and you can also play with the, if you need somewhat other color of this line, you can also play with it the way you want. It's also looking beautiful, visible, beautiful looking. Also you can play with the markers. You can, now these markers are also looking beautiful. Now these are the markers, and now this should be solid line, and it should be dark blue, and it should be an increase. Now it's looking beautiful. It's looking much more beautiful as compared to the one design we previously designed. So this is the line chart with markers, and we had gross margin percentage per month is showing, and when we hold the cursor over here, it's showing the gross percentage of all the points of all the months per month percentage. And it's also interactive, and how it we can make it interactive, we'll check it in our upcoming videos. Oh, this is the line gross margin percentage chart for you, and in the upcoming video we will design the we will, we will design we will design the 2D pie chart for the teams, and that how much is the cost per team cost, and we will show it in the pie chart and segregate it and show it in using the segregation in the pie chart. So stay tuned and watch the complete series. So if you want to move your career to the next level, then subscribe to my YouTube channel, Grow Ishtiaq Khan, and also press the bell icon to get notified of all the videos that I'm posting on this platform. Also share the videos with your friends and colleagues, because sharing is caring. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned.